Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of purchases on Fitbit. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Fitbit and we click. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your